Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yolky boiled eggs. To begin, select fresh eggs and let them come to room temperature for best results. Carefully place your eggs in a single layer at the bottom of a saucepan. Then, add enough cold water to cover the eggs by about 1 inch. This ensures even cooking and helps prevent cracking. Next, bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. As soon as the water reaches a vigorous boil, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. For that perfect yolky, jammy consistency, cook the eggs for precisely 6 to 7 minutes. This timing is crucial for achieving a soft, creamy yolk that isn't fully set but also not runny. Once your eggs have finished cooking, it's time for the ice bath. While the eggs are simmering, prepare a bowl of ice water. Immediately transfer the hot eggs into this ice bath. This stops the cooking process and helps prevent the green ring around the yolk. Allow them to cool for at least 5 minutes before attempting to peel for easier shell removal. Now you have perfectly yolky boiled eggs. Serve them immediately, perhaps with a simple sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. They are absolutely delicious on a piece of avocado toast, sliced into a fresh salad, or simply enjoyed as a quick, protein-packed snack. Peeled eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.